My last video, I shared a tutorial on how to get the butterfly scrunchy hairband done. In today's video, I'll be sharing a third pattern. It is really easy. Let's just get right into it. We need three fabrics. We need two of the same size and one of a bigger size. For the one of the same size, I use 5 by 5, right? 5 inches by 5 inches, and then I cut out two for both the main fabric and then the one I'm using as the lining. Then for the bigger one, I cut out 7 inches by 7 inches, and I did that for both the inner for the main fabric and then the one I'm using as the, let me see, lining, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Just watch it. We're going to be able to learn and understand how this is done.